नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ ठीक होंगे, खुश होंगे। मैं हूँ हज़ीका अली और मेरे साथ हैं
तारिक नियाजी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। उम्मीद करता हूँ ठीक होंगे, खुश होंगे। दोस्तों जहाँ रहें खुश रहें, माँ बाप का ख्याल करें क्योंकि माँ बाप है तो सब कुछ है। आज की असांजी वीडियो आहे
वेरी ख़ास, वेरी स्पेशल,
ॾाढी ख़ासि आहे।
हाँ वेरी ख़ास असांजी वीडियो आहे। ओके गाइस, तो आज की हमारी वीडियो है लुलु मॉल कोची केरला। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके गाइस, तो वीडियो का टाइटल है लुलु मॉल इन कोची केरला, मॉडर्न इंडिया। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Good morning guys, from another video here in India, specifically in the state of Kerala again. And in today's video guys, we're going to be cruising over to one of India's largest malls. That's right, one of the largest malls in all of India. So I'm pretty excited for that. It stretches across like 17 acres and has been around for, I want to say, just over a decade already, maybe 15 years roughly. And so yeah, we got our good man up here who's going to be driving us over there. Your good name, my friend? Midden. Nice to meet you, Midden. So Midden's going to be taking us on a 30-minute cruise over to the mall here. And oh, we got some traffic here coming in. And so we're going to be cruising over that way. It's about, I want to say like roughly 500 rupees for us to take a 30-minute ride here from where I'm staying at the Ramada Hotel, or as they pronounce it here, the Ramada. Actually, I figured that out. They pronounce it Ramada. And yeah, so we'll be cruising over there, and then once we get over there, we'll take you guys for a tour of the mall. I don't know how they are with filming, if I have to hide my camera or what the deal is, but a lot of the times in malls I've been in around the world, they're not huge fans of filming, so we'll see if it's possible. This video very well likely could change into something completely different if the camera's not allowed, but this is my original intention, to take you guys with me into this mall. So let's head on over there and see you there. Hello! Nice people out there, yeah? Guys, there it is. That is the Lulu Mall right there. Lulu Hypermarket. Oh, we got McDonald's, we've got Starbucks. We've got quite a few things that we recognize in terms of the brand. So I was actually being told by our good man up here that it's the second largest mall in Kerala, yeah? Second largest? Yeah, second largest. Ah, very nice. So guys, we're arriving. We'll see you once we get inside. And here to say hello, you say namaskara or namaste?
Namaste.
Namaste, all right. Not namaskara.
Namaste or namaskar, no problem.
Okay, both of them. All right, perfect. We're learning slowly. All right, guys, we have entered into the massive Lulu Mall, as you can see here. It's got to be 1, 2, 3, 4 stories tall. So you can easily get lost in this place, and that's exactly what we're about to do. It's a lot of places I recommend. We got Cold Stone Creamery over there, we got jewelry shops, and a little bit of everything. So this must be the place to be during the week. So let's head on up here. I don't know where I'm heading right now. I didn't look at a map or anything. I'm just gonna hop on the escalator, see where it brings us. We even got Starbucks here. Might have to make a trip, but if I can find something that's a little bit more local in terms of coffees, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So far, I haven't been busted for filming it here yet, so we'll see if that continues that way. Might have to stop here first of all to get a little coffee at Cafe Coffee Day. That looks like a good spot. Hello. Namaskara. Could I please have, what's a good coffee? Or like the signature cold coffee is good?
This is a vanilla flavor cold coffee.
Ooh, vanilla flavor, yeah? Could I have that please? All right, so we're gonna start out with one of these guys. It's about 200 rupees, so that comes out to roughly like $3. And maybe we'll get some food once we get up to the food court in just a moment. Thank you. Maybe just a little cookie to go along with it. Chocolate chip, that'll have to do. Yeah, see that one? And that'll be it. Perfect.
Can I give you 85 please on table?
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, so we've got our spot right here. Can kind of figure out what the plan's gonna be walking around this mall. We've got like an hour and a half here, and so we'll see as much as we can in that amount of time. So it's a 17-acre mall. It'll be impossible to see the entire mall in this amount of time, but we'll see as much as possible and see what happens. The delicious vanilla one, yeah? Awesome, thank you. So we're gonna try this one out here. Toss the straw right in there. Oh, delicious, nice and sweet. We'll try out the cookies here. All right, guys, let's give these cookies a taste here. Very good, I'd say. They could be warmed up, to be honest with you, but I'd say they definitely hit the spot. The cookies along with some coffee, that's a good way to get us started. A little sugar rush before we head into the mall. Bye, thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna keep cruising around this mall here. quick little coffee break. I'm gonna bring this one to go. Nice snack here. When we go to the food court, we'll see what else we can get. But I'd say for now, we'll just cruise through this place and see. As you can see, there's stuff going on everywhere. We got pretty typical, I'd say, for a mall overall. You can get literally anything you can ever imagine, like literally anything. Then over here, we've got kind of an Apple Store lookalike called Imagine, premium reseller. But yeah, this one definitely feels grand. The AC, I must say, is nice. It's a nice little break from walking around outside in Kerala right now, or in Kochi, because it is very, very hot out. But yeah, as you can see here, this is the mall. I should find a map though, because if I don't know where I'm going, then we're just gonna kind of aimlessly walk, and you never know if we're gonna be ending up walking in circles. So let's see here. There's not too many maps though. Usually you'd see those all over the mall, although I'm not really seeing too many of them at this place. I'm thinking we'll take the escalator up here, see what we can find. We just did a proper circle there. There's the escalator, and wow, as you can see here, there's even like, maybe this is the distance you're supposed to have between other people. We've got a check mark, we've got 2 X's and another check mark, and it seems like we've got that all the way up and down the escalator. So they're very, very well designed in terms of the layout on keeping people socially distant. All right, and it looks like we're getting up here. This must be the electronics floor. I'm guessing we're at one end of the mall right now, because to be honest, I did kind of a circle around the floor below us, and I didn't really make it too far. So I guess maybe 17 acres of this mall includes maybe multiple levels. I'm not entirely certain, but we'll take a look through here. I'm definitely recognizing a lot of the brands, kind of mixed in. We got the Bombay store here, so you get your mix of like international brands along with local Indian brands here as well. So that's pretty cool to see all of it together. Oh, we've got another one. If you saw the videos earlier, we came across the American Tourister shop right over there when we were walking through the market. So that must be a pretty popular one out here. Actually, it might be a brand I've seen in malls around the world, but it's been a while, let's put it that way. Ladies, if you need a wedding dress, looks like they've even got them right here. That was just an assumption. I actually don't know if that's a wedding dress. Might just be more like formal attire over there, but yeah. Now we are cruising down this way. I recognize them down there. We've got Shrek and Fiona. There we are. We've got Shrek, Fiona, and the donkey. Namaste, guys. How we doing? All right. Smells like we're getting close to the food court. I can smell something delicious. If I can find a little Indian food up there, I'm definitely gonna get myself maybe something a little spicy. We'll see. Or a dosa actually kind of sounds nice. All right, yeah, this must be the food court up here, because we've got Punjab Grill over there. And I must say, overall though, very clean mall. You can see there's not a piece of trash anywhere. Shiny from every direction. And I have a feeling this whole area, it's starting to get much warmer as we go up here. So we've got up here pretty much every single restaurant I've ever been familiarized with in my life in terms of franchises. We've got Subways, we've got Baskin Robbins, Faludas. Had one of those in the last video for the first time. The Faludas are really good. I had one over at Juicy. If you guys missed that video, definitely check the link in the description for that one. Wow, we've even got an arcade going on over here. Could go for another thrill ride, but to be honest, I don't think the rides here are gonna be able to top what we went to at Wonderland. Now that was an incredible time going over there. These rides look more like maybe the kids rides over here. And so we got Pizza Hut down there and Burger King, all the good stuff. Domino's, or as I like to call it, Dankino's. Wow. That's literally like every single international chain I've ever come across in my life is here. Rice and noodles. I'm smelling something delicious here. Oh yeah. Might have to get something at one of these spots that I don't recognize. Hello, my friend. And yeah, so we're going to be... Yes, I'm back.
Yesterday we met at
Ah, yeah. How are you guys? Good to see you. Yeah, I met you guys where? At the university?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. That was a good time. Yeah, really good time, guys. So you guys are from Kerala?
Yeah.
It's a really nice place over here. Yeah, it was a good party yesterday too. Yeah, it was crazy. A lot of energy. Yeah. I'm from the U.S. Yeah. Chicago area. Yeah. So it was really nice. It was nice to meet you guys. I got only 1 hour here. I'm trying to explore the entire mall in 1 hour, including eat something, because I gotta go get a haircut after this. So yeah, it's really nice to meet both of you. And your good names? Aliga? Malariga. Sorry, it's so hard with the masks. So yeah. And your good name? Altaf. Nice to meet you guys. Pleasure. Enjoy. Take care. Really nice. If you guys missed it, in yesterday's video, we went over to the university and it was just absolute madness over there. And when we were over there, probably like 500 students in the span of like, I don't know, 90 seconds. And so they recognized me like, oh, are you Mac? I was like, yeah. So hopefully you guys can hear that. It is a bit loud, but I'm thinking maybe we'll go over here to the Punjab Grill. We've got street foods right over here, and that looks like it's probably gonna be the move. I'm gonna take whatever recommendation they tell me to get. That's gonna be the one I'm gonna get. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, that's smelling very delicious. You got, I'm gonna go with probably some sort of like chicken curry is gonna be the move. Oh, that smells delicious. Hello, namaste. Actually, I'm gonna go with whatever is the most popular item on the menu. That's gonna have to be number one. As you guys can see on a, I think it's, no, Thursday today. Busy day at the mall here. Everyone's here shopping, getting some food. And this place is pretty close to capacity, so I can only imagine on the weekends, must get super, super busy at this mall. All right, well, it looks like we're moving up in line a little bit here, so that's good news. Hello, my friend. Oh, they've got something on there that says the butter chicken paratha roll. That's a good one. Yeah, what is the most popular item on the menu? Most popular item? This is most popular? Yeah, all right. Oh, it is the butter chicken paratha roll. That's most popular? All right, I'll do one of those, please. That sounds delicious. And for a butter chicken paratha roll, it's coming out to about $169. So I'd say that's about $2 US. Hello, Manu. How are you? So the butter chicken paratha roll is most popular?
Yes.
All right. Oh, egg chicken. Oh, yeah. Let's go with one of those, please. That sounds perfect. And then maybe one of these sweet lassies.
Yes.
Yeah, just those two. Yeah, the perfect size, and that'll do it.
One chicken tikka, egg chicken tikka paratha roll, one sweet lassi.
Yep, just those two.
2 sweet lassi.
One egg chicken and one sweet lassi. Thank you. All right, and the sweet lassi, that costs about 89, so roughly $1 US. So $2.50 to eat a deliciously made meal right over here. They've got a lot of different options here. Also, a lot of the traditional Punjabi items here, it looks like. So, oh, we've even got some Afghan chicken over there. Lots of good stuff here. So, this is my first time eating in this mall. It's my first time in this mall at all. So, I'm excited to try it. Hello, my friends. The total is
One egg chicken tikka paratha roll, one sweet lassi. 281 rupees.
281. Thank you. Do you have a bin for this, please? Thank you so much. Oh, they've even got mojitos here. Now that looks pretty delish. That's gonna be nice. So this is the best restaurant in the mall is here? Yeah? All right. It's my first restaurant that I'm trying in Lulu Mall. So I'm excited to taste it. They've got a lot of stuff down here too. Afghani chicken. Oh, the biryani's I bet very nice too, yeah? Chicken malai tikka. Oh yeah, guys, I am very hungry right now. This is gonna be delicious. Nani Aliyah. You know that one? Nani Aliyah? How many minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. All right. So we got 5 minutes to burn, guys, and then we'll be chowing down on something delicious. Here it is. It's all ready to eat. That's looking delicious. Thank you, my friends. I really appreciate it. Oh, that's gonna spill pretty easily.
Are you vlogger, sir?
Vlogger, yeah. Yeah. You guys gonna be new subscribers?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. You'll be in the video. There's the YouTube channel name.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, my friends. See you. All right, guys, as you can see here, this is what we're gonna be chowing down on right there. Oh yeah. So it looks like we've got some chicken in there. You can see that paratha roll. This is very similar to what we were eating the other day, and so that is looking fantastic. Oh, no problem. Yep. Can I eat it? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna be chowing down on this. Let me get the napkins out here, and we're gonna set you up right here. And well, bam! All right. So actually, this looks just like the Kolkata roll. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but to be honest with you, if I'm eating another one of these again and that's all I end up eating while I'm here, I'm not gonna complain, because to be honest with you, I've absolutely loved it. So here we go. We're gonna dip this thing right on in there. This is like the green curry sauce, I want to say. And we're just gonna give it a nice big old bite. Wow. Oh yeah. Guys, that is delicious. Let me tell you, I can feel those spices burning pretty strong, but it's a nice burn. Let me put it that way. And I want to say it's similar to the, I think I'm saying it right, Kolkata's. Let me check the official name of it. Kolkata. So it's similar to the Kolkata, like I was saying though, a bit more spicy. I want to say there's probably a few more veggies in there, as well as peppers. but all in all, very delicious. I'd say it's a bit smaller as well. So my appetite right now is probably medium, and I want to save an appetite for tonight's dinner anyways. So this should be just enough. But let me tell you, dipping in this green curry sauce, it gives it a really delicious taste. I don't know if that's actually curry sauce. Honestly, it actually masks the spices a bit, where it doesn't taste as spicy when you like really douse it in the green. Yeah guys, I'm so bad with names, so forgive me. If you're new to my channel, just know that I'll talk very highly of the food if I enjoy it, but somehow I just don't remember the names sometimes. But that's totally okay, because the most important thing is that it's delicious. And let me tell you this, I'm loving it. Oh yeah. That is what we call G-double-O-D. And now we've got the lassi right here. It's nice and ice cold. Wow, holy crap. I've never had anything like that in my life. It's almost like, partially like a milkshake, but it's got like somewhat of a sour zing to it. It's a little creamier, a little thicker, but very nice. I want to say there must be a pretty strong base of yogurt in there. That's got to be what it is, like a strong base of yogurt mixed with something slightly sour and a bit milky, but it's nice. It's definitely nice. And after I drank that, I almost like forgot that I just had spicy food, because you know, like sometimes spices like linger in your mouth. That was happening to me. All right, here we go. We're digging in. We're gonna keep going. Oh yeah. Now that is delish. Oh, we're starting to make a mess here, but that's all right. We've got one half left, guys. I want to say, like, I'm trying to think. This reminds me of almost like, kind of like the sauce that's used on buffalo wings, where it's like, it's got like a light spice, but it's like a manageable spice. And I think that's probably the best way to compare it to. Shredded chicken in here. The onions add a nice little zing to it. To be honest with you, anything made with egg, I love, as you saw in my video from a couple days ago when I had the cocada roast. So, yeah, guys, that's it. Time to take a big old bite. Oh, yeah. This thing's gonna fall apart on me. I see why they keep it in the wrapper. And, All right, Kerala, you're winning my heart over with the food scene so far. Been very impressed with it. Haven't had a bad meal. Every meal I've had here has actually been really delicious. I don't want to say they're one-upping each other, each meal I've had, but it's pretty close. They're all like comparatively delicious in terms of like quality of the food, freshness. This, like, once again, it's great. You can tell this was like straight from the press, straight from the oven, directly to my mouth. Oh, and the last bite, always the hardest. All right, guys, that was a successful meal. We're gonna be taking this old lassi to go, so we can keep walking. Wow, literally, just took that sip, and it's like the spiciness is gone. I have always heard that, I think that like milky type things are what you should drink if something's too spicy for you. I usually do like the thing that you're not supposed to do, which I'm told is like drinking water, because then I guess it makes it more spicy. Whereas like anything milky totally like suppresses that burn you get from it. My friends, I must say it was very delicious. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you come see Manu, and your good name?
Azin.
Azin.
Yes.
And we have Navas?
Navas, yes.
Navas, all right. And
Jaguar.
Jaguar? All right, the whole squad here. So come see them. They'll get you some delicious food here. They just took care. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, that was a bit of an expedited lunch there, but let me tell you that was exactly what I needed. That was a random selection. No one suggested to go to that restaurant out of all the options, and I went over there, and let me tell you that, happy I did. Now we've got the little lassi to go, and it's growing on me. At first when I had it, I wasn't expecting the flavor that I had in the lassi, and then now that I've had a little bit basically settle in the stomach and bring those spices down, I must say, it's gonna be a drink that I continuously have. Oh, we've got the king. Mr. Burger King himself is here, and if you guys remember Go With Ali from the Sri Lanka series, we've got KFC over there. Don't tell him, otherwise he's gonna show up in 60 seconds. So I think that's pretty much it from this area. We've seen mostly everything, and that's about it. Hello, my friends. All right, what do we got going on here? We've got the map. So we're on the food court floor, which means we've seen probably everything. The entire food court over there, we had Pizza Hut, and we had the amusement park. So I think it's time to head on downstairs and see if we come across anything else interesting. But that's about it for now. Guys, I will say it's always interesting walking around malls and finding how similar they are in places all around the world. Like I've been to 47 countries, and I will tell you, every time I've gone into a mall, whether it was in Iraq, whether it was in the United States, whether it was here in India, when you go to like the nice modern malls, you find a lot of the same international brands that you see all over, and you have a very similar like layout. Like everything's very clean, crisp, very strong lighting. The smells just smell like brand new clothes, and yeah, and they're always busy, like all over, no matter what. So that part I do find pretty interesting, but I mean, it makes sense, you know, these are like a lot of the most popular brands, and that's what sells, so that's what you'll find in these malls. We've got a T-Rex there. Uh-oh, better watch out. And here we are. You get a good idea for what else is here. Maybe we're gonna go down to the first floor, see what we can find down there. Wow, look what we're coming across now, BlackBerry. Did not know that phone company still exists. Oh, I guess BlackBerry here is a clothing company. Thought it was a phone company. But wow, there are so many brands here, ones that I've never even seen before. Maybe I haven't, I just don't recognize them. But they all seem pretty nice. This side of the mall smells like cinnamon. One of those times I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling, because it is a nice soothing smell. Puts you in the shopping mood. That's probably on purpose. So when you smell something like that, you're like, ah, puts you in a nice mood. And we're going around this way. Guys, I want to say we've covered a lot of this mall. Either I'm like missing a lot of it, or we have seen the majority of it at this point. Hello, my friend. All right, we got Transformers down here on this floor. That's a good sign. That's one of my most favorite movies, Transformers. The whole series, actually. So, yo! I got the squad there. Yeah. There we go, bro. Nice to meet you. Oh, we got the whole squad going in there. I thought I heard someone behind me. Always good to get some of the locals in there. That's fun. And here's the Transformers statue I was showing you. Hello, namaste Transformers. How we doing? Fun cruise through. It's funny how fast I went through this entire mall moving at this speed. It's a good way to cover a lot of ground really quickly here. So it's funny. I think I'm probably the only foreigner in this entire mall, and then I'm also holding up a camera, so I'm attracting a fair amount of attention. People are like, what the hell is this guy doing? But that's the fun in it. Oh, we even have the store that has been named after me. I don't know why, because it's a makeup store called MAC. And yeah, I think we've seen all of it, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this fast-paced journey as we basically sprinted through this mall. I don't know if there's anything else to show you guys. All right, there's one floor we didn't make it to yet, and that is the basement floor. So we're gonna go down there and check it out. And guys, drop a comment below if I missed like half the mall. So I feel like I've weaved in and out of all of the floors here, and that must mean that 17 acres must include all floors, not like total land area. Ah, so we're at the parking garage floor. So I don't know if there's much going on down here. Yeah, it seems like pretty much just we're doing a little drawing over there. That looks kind of cool. And here we've got some fruit juices, smoothies. That looks quite nice. And that's about it. Popcorn over there. All right. Well, I guess we're going back up the stairs, guys. Nothing in the basement that I've seen. All right, then it looks like I think we're on the grocery store floor, because there is a massive grocery store on this side of the mall. Looks good. We might have to do a tour of one at some point. And we've even got McDanklin's, the best in town. We've got a little takeaway window over there if you want to get some ice cream. Oh, if I had room in the stomach, I'd for sure be getting myself a little ice cream cone, but you can get McDonald's everywhere, so probably not somewhere I'll be stopping. A little Amazon store here too. Hey Alexa. Alexa? Alexa? I'm seeing Amazon Alexa, but she's not replying. Hello, my friend. I tried to get Alexa to talk, but I couldn't get her. They must have that turned off, because I feel like everyone would probably be screwing with like saying, hey Alexa. But that is the tour of the mall, guys. I think that's where we're gonna end it. It seems like on the way out here, we've got it almost looks like a tree in the shape of, I don't want to call it something wrong and accidentally say something that's disrespectful. It looks very cool though, because I don't know if it has any holy meaning or what the deal is, but it's beautiful. Let's just leave it at that. And here is the exit of the mall. So that right there, guys, is one of the largest malls in India. We took you for a tour, pretty fast-paced tour, but didn't do too much shopping, because to be honest with you, I don't really need any more clothes. I've done so much shopping in some of the markets here that I don't need them. I don't need anything else at the moment. Hello, Akil. Hello, Akil. For Mac. Ah, perfect. Oh, that was quick. One in, one out. Chop shop, barbershop. All right, guys, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Really hope you've enjoyed coming for that tour through Lulu Mall. It was a good time checking it out, meeting a couple locals and having that delicious food. Honestly, I'm gonna be full until dinner time. So if you guys have enjoyed this one, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos, both here in India as well as all around the world, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.
तो एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त रेस्टोरेंट नहीं था, लेकिन जिसमें उसने खाना खाया था वो एक बड़ा अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट था। बड़ा अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट था देसी खानों का।
अच्छा।
जिसमें से कबाब और रोल पराठा बना के दे दिया, फिर ये खाता रहा चटनी में डाल डाल।
लेकिन एक बात ना, वो बात पर कहते हैं बहुत डिलीशियस है।
जाहिर सी बात है।
इस तर्ज का, इसी टाइप का लुक का लाइक ऐसे ही हमारे यहाँ भी रोल पराठा मिलता है। उसमें बेसिकली वो चिकन रोल पराठा होता है, तो उसके अंदर जो है ना कहीं का बहुत उम्दा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। जैसे कि नवाब रोल्स करके हैं हमारे यहाँ, 250-300 रुपये का उनका एक रोल पराठा है, लेकिन ऐसा कि आपके मुंह से नहीं छूटेगा। और कहीं का ऐसा है कि 100-120 रुपये का है, लेकिन जी वही बात है कि ना उसके अंदर सॉसेज होते हैं तरीके के, ना उसका चिकन अच्छा टेंडर होता है, ना वो टेस्टी होता है, ना ऊपर का पराठा उसका सॉफ्ट होता है। मैं इसको देख रही थी खाते हुए, तो मुझे यकीन करें नवाब रोल्स की याद आ गई।
अच्छा।
जो सॉफ्ट, जब बाइट कर रहे थे ना, तो अब अगर ऊपर का पराठा थोड़ा सा भी हार्ड हो ना, तो बाइट करते हो तो बुरा लगता है, मतलब उसमें से थोड़ी सी क्रिस्पनेस
या जोर लगाना पड़ता है।
हाँ, और वो ना अच्छा भी नहीं लगता। पराठा भी सॉफ्ट लग रहा था, फिर वो कह रहे हैं कि अंदर से भी बहुत अच्छा, बहुत डिलीशियस था।
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो ये है मॉल पे हमने एक रिएक्शन दिया था
एक मॉल पे, हाँ।
तो उस मॉल से, मतलब उस मॉल के बारे में कहा था कि एशिया का सबसे बड़ा मॉल।
नहीं, इंडिया का। उन्होंने कहा एशिया का कहा जाता है, लेकिन एशिया का नहीं है, लेकिन इंडिया का है। एशिया में तो और भी बहुत बड़े बड़े।
लेकिन बाद में हमें कमेंट आया कि ये मॉल देखें, ये बिगेस्ट मॉल है एशिया का।
वो नहीं है लार्जेस्ट,
वो नहीं है, ये है बोला लूलू मॉल। लेकिन मैं कहता हूँ जब ये बंदा घूम रहा था, आप देखें नज़र आपकी जहाँ तक जा रही थी वो मॉल था।
17 एकड़ का बताया ना उन्होंने।
मतलब आपकी हद है, इंतहा है कि यार वो जहाँ तक आपकी नज़रें जा रही है।
मुझे आखिरी सिरा नहीं दिखा मॉल
मैं
का।
बता
आप
तो
तो
रहा
फिर भी कह रहे हैं, मुझे, मैं यकीन करें, अभी कमेंट्स पे भी आएंगे तो वो बताएंगे, क्योंकि उनको ज़्यादा बेहतर पता है, जो से मतलब खुद से गए हैं, फिजिकली देख कर आए हैं, तो उनकी तो बात और होगी, हम तो वीडियो में ही देख पा रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद उन्होंने ना सारी शॉप्स कवर की हैं, ना सारी जगहों को कवर किया होगा, और ना ही पूरा मॉल हमें दिखाया होगा इस वीडियो में, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है 20 मिनट 22 मिनट बहुत कम थे
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है
मॉल को कवर करने।
नहीं, आपने देखा कि बाकायदा वीडियो एडिट होती है।
हाँ।
और जब वो खाना खाने आया था तो वो नहीं, उसे जब रास्ते में कुछ लोग, एक लड़की एक लड़का मिले, तो वो कह रहा है मैं 1 घंटे से घूम रहा हूँ।
1 घंटे से। और एक और बात, जैसे ऐसा होता है ना हमारे मॉल में, ये होता है कि हम चलते चलते फ्लोर एंड होता है, तो पीछे का मतलब वो आखिरी एरिया दिखता है, या आखिरी शॉप दिखती है, या दीवार का कुछ एरिया दिख जाता है
फाइनल।
मुझे नहीं दिखा वो, ना मुझे कोई आखिरी शॉप दिख रही थी, ना मुझे आखिरी दीवार का कोई एरिया दिख रहा था कि जी ये इसकी हद खत्म हो गई।
बिल्कुल,
मुझे उसकी हद खत्म होते हुए नहीं दिखी,
बहुत बड़ा था
जहाँ
वाकई।
तक मेरी आंखें जा रही थी वहाँ तक मुझे शॉप्स दिख रही थी।
अच्छा, दुनिया का हर ब्रांड, यानी जो आप सोच सकते हैं, जो आप तसव्वुर कर सकते हैं, वो आपको वहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल।
और फूड कोर्ट्स भी अच्छा बहुत बड़े बड़े, मैंने देखा अक्सर जो खाने पीने की जगह होती है इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती, मतलब थोड़ी सी जगह दे दी जाती है इनको, लेकिन आपने देखा कि पूरा एक मैदान दिया हुआ है यार रेस्टोरेंट।
मेरा जाने का इत्तेफाक हुआ है, तो मैंने देखा है फूड कोर्ट हमारे यहाँ ऐसा होता है कि मॉल जो होता है, नॉर्मली मैंने जो लोगों से सुना भी है, हर मॉल का यही हिसाब किताब होता है कि फूड कोर्ट सबसे ऊपर वाले फ्लोर में, यानी कि जैसे ग्राउंड फ्लोर है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, तो थर्ड फ्लोर के ऊपर ना कहीं एक मखसूस जगह के ऊपर फूड कोर्ट बना दिया जाता है मखसूस तौर पे। फिर लोग वहाँ पे शॉपिंग वॉपिंग कर ली हर फ्लोर से, उसके बाद उस फ्लोर पे आकर थोड़ा सा चिल करते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं, बैठते हैं और ऑर्डर कर देते हैं। ये हिसाब किताब हर मॉल में देखा है मैंने। अब मैंने अपने पाकिस्तान का आपको बता रही हूँ कि हर मॉल में यही होता है। मैंने ये कभी नहीं देखा कि जी टी स्टोर दिख रहा है, टी शॉप दिख रही है, कॉफ़ी शॉप दिख रही है, या यहाँ ऐसी मतलब शॉप्स के बीच में एक शॉप बन गई है, और वहाँ पे वाकई में ये सोचती थी कि अगर फर्स्ट फ्लोर वाला बंदा जो थक गया है, उसको चाय चाहिए, अभी कॉफ़ी चाहिए, कुछ रिफ्रेशमेंट चाहिए, तो क्या वो थर्ड फ्लोर पे जाएगा तभी वो कुछ खा पाएगा, या वो ढूंढेगा जगह को। अब इतना बड़ा मॉल है तो इसमें जगह जगह मैंने ये देखा कि हर जगह आपको सहूलत दी गई है कि आपको एक ही फ्लोर पे सारी चीज़ें दस्तयाब हो।
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है।
अच्छा, फिर शूज़ है तो शूज़ लाइन से, जैसे कि मैंने पहली वीडियो में भी जिक्र किया था कि हमारे यहाँ शूज़ यहाँ हैं, कपड़े वहाँ हैं, वॉच वहाँ है। जैसे अगर आपको कोई रोज़ वाटर चाहिए तो रोज़ वाटर का एक ब्रांड यहाँ है, एक ब्रांड वहाँ है, तो आप ढूंढो। तो इसमें मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लगी कि हर ब्रांड के शूज़ लाइन से लगे हुए थे।
अच्छा, ये बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस इंडिया में बहुत सी जगह में हैं, लूलू मॉल की।
हाँ।
लखनऊ का भी बता रहे हैं कि लखनऊ में भी बहुत बड़ा है, हैदराबाद का नहीं पता, लखनऊ का बता रहे हैं, लेकिन हो सकते हैं कि कहीं छोटे भी हों, कहीं बड़े भी हों।
ये सबसे बड़ा था। ये
कह रहे हैं कि मतलब है कि इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा मॉल।
सही।
और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि मिसाल के तौर पे आप एक मॉल के अंदर इंटर होती हैं, सबसे पहले आप कहाँ जाना चाहिए? और आपके पास 1 लाख रुपया जेब में है।
मेकअप
सबसे पहले फूड कोर्ट से भी पहले मेकअप। ठीक है।
मॉल के अंदर सबसे पहला तस्वुर मेरे दिमाग में आता है मेकअप।
फिर उसके बाद
अच्छा मैंने एक और चीज़ देखी,
मेकअप में सबसे पहले क्या?
मेकअप में सबसे पहले मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत है हाइलाइटर की।
ज़रूरत एक अलग चीज़ होती है, शौक होता है ना यार।
अभी आपने मुझे बोला
मैं ये चीज़ जमा करके रखूँ, मेरे पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा।
हाइलाइटर्स का बहुत शौक है मुझे, तो और लिप कलर्स का भी। लेकिन अभी जो ज़रूरत के तहत अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि 1 लाख दिए और मैं फ़ौरन चली गई मॉल में तो हाइलाइटर खरीदूंगी। वैसे मुझे लिप कलर्स बहुत पसंद है, लिप कलर्स लेना, मस्कारा, डिफरेंट टाइप के।
अभी एक कमेंट आएगा जिसके अंदर एक शख्स जो है हमारा बहुत अच्छा सब्सक्राइबर है, वो 1 लाख रुपए भेजेगा और वो कह रहा है कि आप 1 लाख रुपए मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ, आपने मॉल के अंदर जाके परचेजिंग करनी है और वीडियो अपलोड करनी है।
अच्छा ऐसा कमेंट कब आया?
ये आएगा अभी।
आएगा?
हाँ।
अच्छा चले देखते हैं। यानी कि आप फ्यूचर बता रहे हैं?
फ्यूचर बता।
आप ज्योतिष तो नहीं है?
ज्योतिष नहीं हूँ।
फिर नजूमी?
ज्योतिषी हूँ।
ज्योतिषी हूँ। अच्छा।
तो एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त वीडियो थी और बड़ा डिटेल से इन्होंने,
लाइटिंग्स वगैरह बड़ी अच्छी थी, बड़ी खास थी।
अच्छा इनकी वीडियो में थोड़ा सा मैं कहूँगा कि इन्होंने ज़्यादा खाने पीने में वीडियो निकाली।
व्लॉग लग रहा था।
तो ये नहीं कि उन्होंने टेस्ट, मतलब उन्होंने थोड़ा सा एक प्रॉपर एक ओवरव्यू दिया।
अच्छा
और
सारी बात ये है कि वो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है उन्होंने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया वो दिखा दिया, वो बता दिया प्योर। और दूसरी बात ये अखलाक के बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं ये मुझे यूट्यूबर।
ऐसा ही है। अच्छा जहाँ जाएंगे घूमे, जितना घूमे तो यहाँ कॉफ़ी खाना पीना लाजमी हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपका इतना एनर्जी इतनी ज़ाया हो जाती है, आप इतना घूमते हो।
1-1 घंटे 2 घंटे पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगाया इन्होंने।
तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त। दोबारा की वीडियो से आपसे मुलाकात होगी, जब तक के लिए
अल्लाह हाफिज़।